Hi everyone, have you ever wondered why the surface of the lake is hard during the winter? It feels so wonderful to see people skate on it, and there are also people fishing by digging holes in the lake, even though that time is a very cold time and the lake water should harden. But if it hardens, what about the water life in it? Won't they freeze to death? In this case, aside from their physical adaptation to cold temperature, we should probably explore the nature of water molecules. There are 4 points to explain this phenomenon. Point 1. What do we see here is the floating of ice on liquid water. Water is one of the few substances that are less dense as a solid than as a liquid. This makes the ice floats on liquid water, just like you see ice cubes in your drinks. In ice, each molecule is hydrogen bonded to 4 neighbors in a 3-dimensional crystal. Due to its spacious, ice has fewer molecules than an equal volume of liquid water. This explains why ice is less dense than water. Point 2. While other materials contract and become denser when they solidify, water expands. This behavior is likely due to hydrogen bonding. Let's see. At 4 degrees Celsius, water is just like any other liquids. It warms and contracting as it cools. However, as the temperature falls from 4 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, water begins to freeze because more and more of its molecules are moving too slowly to break the hydrogen bonds. Therefore, at 0 degrees Celsius, the molecules become locked into a crystalline lattice, which each water molecule hydrogen bonded to 4 partners. Point 3. The hydrogen bonds keep the molecules far enough apart to make ice about 10% less dense than liquid water at 4 degrees Celsius. When the ice absorbs enough heat for its temperature to rise above 0 degrees Celsius, hydrogen bonds between molecules are disrupted. As the crystal collapses, the ice melts, and the molecules have fewer hydrogen bonds, allowing them to slip closer together. The water reaches its greatest density at 4 degrees Celsius and begins to expand as the molecules move faster. Even in liquid water, many of the molecules are connected by hydrogen bonds, even though it's only temporarily. This means the hydrogen bonds are always breaking and reforming. And point 4. The ability of ice to float is an important factor to water life. Why? Because the floating ice becomes a barrier that insulates the liquid water below from the colder air, thus preventing it from freezing and allowing life to exist under the frozen surface. Well, these 4 points should have explained the questions of why the surface of the lake hardens, but below it is still water. See you next time. I'm Dr. Roszel signing off for this time. Bye-bye.